Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if this is your first time here. And in today's video, you could tell like it feels like Christmas because I have a new wig. I'm sure all of my wigs look the same. One of these days I'm gonna venture out and get color, but for my day to day, this is what I love. You know, a nice body wig with a bump. I love it. So if you want to see my thoughts about this wig and how I applied it and everything, please keep watching. So yeah, if y'all hear my family in this voiceover, I'm sorry. That's just what it comes with. That just comes with the territory. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is what happens when everybody's home and I can record at night. So this what happens. Exactly, when I do it in a public space. So it comes with the territory. But yeah, this is the wig. It, like I said, is a 555 lace closure wig. It's 22 and a half inches all around. This is the cap construction. I already bleached the knots. I let it sit for like 30 minutes and yeah, washed it and everything. And this is what it looks like. It's a body wave texture. Very pretty, very nice. Yeah, I'm just messing with it. This was like one of my fastest like installs to date. So fast. I did it before I went to work. I usually put wigs on or, fiddle with a new wig on my day off because that's how long it usually takes me. But shoot, I did this in half an hour. So right now I'm taking my Got To Be spray and I'm spraying my lace. I'm spraying it on top of the lace, and as you can see, it's melting in very nicely. So now I'm gonna take my hair dryer and hit the wig real quick before I put my scarf on and wait. Woo! I should keep this in there. But yeah, I put my scarf on and after I let it dry, take my scissors and cut the lace off, and then I spray it again to get rid of that crusty look. So yeah, I'm not embarrassed, Winston. Hit the lace again with the spray, hit it with the blow dryer again, and then we're at the baby hair stage. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing with baby hairs. I've been wearing wigs for 3-4 years now. I do not know how to do baby hairs, but I'm praying I'm gonna get better at it. And so now I'm taking my hot comb and flattening out the closure. Don't want no lumps or humps. That really helps define my part and everything. So yeah. And then after that, I took my Hot Tools 1.5-inch barrel and I curled my hair. I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just went straight in with the barrel and curled my hair. And these are the curls that we got. y'all, so I'm all done and I really love it. It feels so soft and the length is perfect. It's 22 inches. As I probably told you already, like it's the 5x5 HD lace closure, Beauty Forever hair. Yeah, so this is where it falls on me curled. So yeah, I haven't worn it out yet. Like I'm literally on my way to work now, but it fits on my head really well. I got the medium cap size and yeah, I love it. I did have to bleach the knots because, you know, they were darker, like they were visible. So I did L'Oreal Quick Blue and 40 volume developer. Did it for 25 minutes, let it set for 25 minutes. I probably could have let it go for 30, but I was nervous. I didn't want to over bleach the knots or anything, but it feels good. After I washed it and everything, the hair was still soft. So far so good. I've had very minimal shedding, even with me, you know, bleaching the knots and all. So it's looking good so far. So yeah, this is so easy. I think I'm gonna be doing closures like from now on, and then save frontals for special occasions. Cause like for every day, you just wanna pop on a wig and go. So that's literally what I'm doing. I'm about to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. I'll leave all of the links and everything that I used in the description box below. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.